Now what kind of bolt are you going to get? This is a cam journal bolt you're going to need. There it is. You see with the spacer, it needs to be longer. And a cam journal bolt happens to be perfect. Another trick. It will take you a week to figure out on your own. And wait for a bolt to come in when you order it. Nice, looks good with the spacer there. Looks like a rainbow. See? Neapolitan cylinders. Okay, so now what? Hold the chain up and kick it. Let's see what happens. Or should we?
Ask it.
Let me see if it moves a little. It's smooth? Looks smooth to me. Okay, go to the top.
It's not even torqued down yet, though.
Oh, that's real close, ain't it?
Go back down.
You think torquing will get some squish on it?
Yeah.
Okay. All the others are 500s because they use 97 millimeter or 98 millimeter pistons. We use 99, so it's a 508. Okay, does it look like it's good? Getting the chain out. What are you going to do? Pull the chain out with your Walmart magnet. Gotta put the bolts in. Grease them up really good. Tighten them down. You're putting the big bolts in now. Save those covers for them too. So Molly lube the bolts very thickly everywhere. Fill the cracks up. Otherwise it may seize up in the aluminum. Boy, without those bolts we would have never made this motor. And no one would have ever tried to order more. It wouldn't have happened. There's the other one.
These fit perfect in the motor.
Yeah, they're made just right. When everything else falls apart, those bolts will still be shiny. If a train runs over this thing, those bolts will still be straight. Yeah, those are pretty tough bolts there. So how come they're sticking out so far there?
They go in 20 millimeters.
Oh.
Right.
All right.
Die. Made out of something harder than these bolts. And they compress it on top of a huge hydraulic. That much metal squeezes out and makes that washer.
Might be. Bolts will torque them up to 22 pounds, foot-pounds. A little bit at a time until they hit 22 foot-pounds. Okay, is that 22? Okay, so now we loosen them all. Take them all out, put Molly lube on them. And then we'll torque them to 14 foot-pounds. They go really smooth now, don't they? They're nice. Okay.
14.
You're going to 14?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, don't do them again. Just do the 180-degree turn, right? Don't use a torque wrench to do the 180. Use a solid wrench.
Do 90 first.
90, yeah, 90. Go 90. Those bolts are strong. Now let's see if they can go one more 90 without stripping.
Let's come off the end of the board.
I wouldn't do any more. Oh.
I can't quite go 90 with these.
I wouldn't do it. They strip them. I think those bolts don't stretch as much. They're not quite as 90-ish.
About 80 degrees.
Just go 80. Just make them all the same. That's fine. I wouldn't go any further. Side bolts need to be tightened to how much?
7.2.
7.2 foot-pounds.